Let's run child support guidelines. Today, we are going to be running guidelines for co-parents out of Howard County, Maryland. And we have Andrea J., who is a full-time pilot, and she earns $10,000 per month. And we have Matt T., who works gig work out of Howard County, and he earns approximately $3,500 per month. They have one child in common. His name is Carter, and he is 7 years old. They have certain expenses for Carter that need to be addressed. One of which is that Andrea is paying the health insurance for Carter, and that health insurance is $500 per month. Carter is also in therapy, and the therapy costs, the copay for that is $150, and both parents are splitting those costs. There are no child care costs for Carter, private school costs, or other support obligations, and the overnight schedule has Andrea with Carter 240 overnights out of the year. Now, we're still in the SOL guidelines calculator, so I have to go over to the actual shared guidelines and put in 240. It will auto-calculate the 125 for Matt, and according to these guidelines, Andrea owes Matt $146 per month as child support for Carter. That might not seem like it makes sense in light of the fact that she has more overnights than Matt. However, if you look at the adjusted actual income percentage, she has 74.1% income, and Matt is only earning about 25.9%. So when you calculate that in with the number of overnights, based on how much support should be provided to the minor child, that is $146 from Andrea for the support of Carter. If the overnights change, let's say Andrea has sole custody of Carter, even though, she has sole custody, that would mean that Matt has to pay $589. If they actually had equal custody of Carter, which is roughly 182 overnights, she would have to pay more money, which would be $594 per month for the support of Carter to his father. But in this specific situation, she only has 240 overnights, and Matt has 125, so she only owes $146.